Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another try on clothing haul. This one is from Showpo. If you haven't heard of Showpo before, it is an online Australian boutique selling beautiful clothes. They have such gorgeous clothes and I am so excited to be partnering with them for this video. And in doing that, they have given me a coupon code for you. It is Crystal10 if you want 10% off, but I'll have everything listed down below. One thing that I really love about Showpo is the fact that they go up to a size 20 in a lot of their garments. To have that extended range of sizes is so amazing. Showpo does ship internationally, so you can get this anywhere in the world. And yeah, let's jump into the clothes. This is how big my parcel is. The first thing I have here is the What You Waiting For dress in khaki. So this is what it looks like off. Now it does have a little tie there with some shoestring straps. So I'll try it on and show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is what the dress looks like on. So it has the tie around here. Now, I wonder if I can tie it up a little tighter. Yeah, that looks better. And then at the back, it just looks like that. So yeah, just with the shoestring straps, most likely you'll need to wear a strapless bra. It comes up a little bit higher. I like that. I love this olive green kind of color. I think it's so beautiful. This is definitely something that you could dress up, dress down. You could put like a denim jacket over it, or you could chuck on some wedges or some heels, like tan colored heels, and wear it on a night out if you need. I feel like this is such a cute summer dress. The next dress is the Break My Heart dress. Now it is an off the shoulder dress. I typically don't go for these, but this one was so cute. I had to try it out, and it's got these beautiful flowy sleeves. So I'm gonna pop it on. Oh my God, this is so cute. I'm so glad I took a chance on this dress. I think it looks adorable, and it's got elastic and the sleeves help it stay really in place. So I don't think it's gonna slip up, which is the main thing when I see these dresses. Everyone's just got them wearing around me because they keep slipping up. But this actually stays in place. I love it. It's also really flattering because it has like a little waistband there. And then it has like this extra like flowy bit around here. The length of it, it is a little bit short, but I feel like it's still an okay length for summer. Oh, this is adorable. I love this dress. This is probably going to convert me into shopping all of these off the shoulder dresses. However, I don't know if they're all going to be like this, you know what I mean? This one feels really secure, like it's not going to move. Like it's gonna stay off the shoulder. I actually have a wedding next weekend, which is a couple of days before this goes up. Hopefully I'll film a get ready with me wedding guest, because I haven't done one of them in years. But I picked up two dresses. I wasn't too sure. So I chose two. These ones are more formal styles. So this first one is the Give Me Attention dress in blush. It's a beautiful light pink blush, and it's got this detail just around the top part of the dress, like some pleating. It just goes down like that. Like it just has a bit of a crossover with some pleating, which is actually so flattering. And of course this one in a size 14, so I'll try this one on next. I do want to make note that it's kind of got like a rubbery texture on the inside, which would hold it up. So you can also remove the straps and then wear it as just a strapless dress as well. This would even be something suitable for like bridesmaids to wear in a wedding. I think it's just that classic, pretty, beautiful, romantic dress. And I want to take this off. This is so cute. If you do have a larger chest, definitely go up a size in this one. Like, I mean, I could probably take off the bra. I don't know if the straps are on the wrong way, but I'm going to take them off because I think it would look better without them. I just have a little bit like coming up here and probably out the back there. But I think I'd have to wear like a stick-on bra with this. Like the strapless bra doesn't quite fit underneath. So here is it full length. So you can see my feet there. Now I am 5'2", so it comes up just before my ankles. Yeah, I definitely prefer it without the straps. It is quite flattering. It's just a bit tight on the tatas. This is the tightrope dress in teal. I am so excited to try this. I really want this to be the one. This one is a lot more stretchy than the one that I've got on now. But now I'm kind of like looking at it like, oh, it might be a little bit too big. Okay, so this one you could go down a size in, like it is quite roomy. I love the fishtail, but you definitely, well, I definitely need some specs with this. I could probably, look, I could probably get away with it. I just feel like it's a little bit big here. Like I think that a 12 would potentially be better, but I really, oh, I love this one so much. Oh, I love this dress. It's so beautiful. I love the color. It's probably more suitable for like an autumn or winter wedding, but I just think the color is beautiful. Next we have the thin ice dress in rust. Now this one was kind of like a backup because on the website it looked quite shiny. You can still see that shine in it. It's probably not dressy enough for a wedding now that I can see it in real life, but I'll try it on and show you. Now I do still have a strapless bra, but this one would definitely need plunge bra or something to hold that in that I would wear. It is just a little smidgen too short for me. Just a little bit too short. I love the sleeves on this. Look at the, they are so darling, like so pretty. Next we have the unproductive day dress in blush. Love this blush as well, so pretty. It's so cute. I love this style of dress, so flattering with the ruffle sleeves and then the crossover at the front with the ruffled hem. Oh, it's so gorgeous, and I love this color as well. This blush is just perfect. Like it's so cute. Love this one as well. I love the length of it as well. I think it's just perfect how it just comes up a little bit in the middle there. Next we have the Let It Be dress in khaki. This one's kind of like a linen material. It's probably like a midi length. It might be maxi on me because I'm so short. Oh my gosh, this dress is so cute. I don't know whether to tie this up the front or the back. Like, quite a long bow. If you're meant to do this. Oh yeah, maybe you're meant to do that. Oh my gosh, this is so adorable. I love it. So flattering. Let's start with the collar line and the V-neck. Now the V-neck is just a really good V-neck because it just comes in really nicely there. It shows a little bit of cleavage, not too much. It's still really classy because of the collar line. I love that. And then we have sleeveless, and then it just has this waistband that brings it all in with the tie as well. Buttons down the front, and then it just flares out. Like it's just beautiful. It has pockets. I don't even know what to say right now. This is the ultimate summer dress. Stunning. It's just so classic, so beautiful. Like, I mean, oh, and it just highlights all the curves. It's beautiful. And pockets. Who would have thought? Oh my gosh, I love it. It's so cute. I love it so much. This is the Less Talk More Action dress. Okay, so here is this dress. And now I think this goes like this. Now I would personally put like a little pin there or pinner, but you could just wear a lower bra as well. So this one just has a really nice V-neck, has a tie up at the waist, and then it flares out a little bit. Really cute, and this is a really cute summer dress. Like, I mean, all of these are so cute, but this is just something that, again, you can dress up, dress down. Next up, the Perfect Solution dress. This is so cute. I hope you can't hear those thunderstorms. Yeah, this is so cute. So it's got this, I think they call it like a dobby print. It's got a lot of texture to it, but in this beautiful blush color. Really flattering and girly. Love it. It's so cute. I did it. I got a pink overall skirt. This is called All My Friends Overall Denim Dress. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to pull it off, but I'll try anyway. And then I just got the basic ribbed V-neck tee to go underneath. Oh my god, I think I already love them. Just have to move them up because I'm so short. Oh my god, this is adorable. Like, I can't. This has got to be one of the cutest things. Like, honestly, it is so cute. This is adorable. I love it. It even has pockets. This is like, I need us to like make these the right length, but this is a must. Like, you need one of these in your life. Oh my god. I have one last thing to try on, and it's this pink, light pink top with these ruffle sleeves. This V-neck, by the way, is delightful. Like, it is so good. I love the curve in it. It is so nice, and the little cap sleeves. It's so perfect. The material is like beautiful. It's nice and thick. It's not see-through. It's just... Okay, so this is a little bit funny because I've got it on with the overalls, but this I just got a denim high-waisted skirt, a white one, and this would look so cute with that, or even some white jeans. Like, it's so cute. I love the v-neck, the ruffles on the sleeves. I love how they taper, they go up and then down. Oh, it's so cute. It's so flattering. So that's the end of my try on haul from Showpo. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video, Showpo. I loved everything that I got. The pieces that I got are so cute and I cannot wait to wear them during summer. Make sure to follow me on Instagram so you can see when I wear the items, and I'll tag Showpo as well. Hope you're having a wonderful day and I'll see you next time. Bye.